Hey Charlie, it's Anthony down at Anchor. Quite fortunate this morning when I rocked up, it was already here waiting. I've given it a bit of a wipe over, although it's still a little bit dirty, so I do apologise for that, but I'll try and be accurate as to the condition of the vehicle inside and out. Driver's arch and alloy wheel is in good condition, as is everything on the front bumper. No worries on the bonnet. Doesn't look like there's any, there's tiny little, tiny couple of chips on the bonnet. Passenger side of the car, alloy wheels in good nick. Wing mirror. Passenger side of the car, alloy wheel and rear quarter are all in good condition. Rear bumper and boot lid are all good. That's probably what they were talking about when it came to the MOT advisory on the number plate, but there's no need to worry about that, I don't think. Inside the boot, all good condition. No scratches, no marks. Have a little look at this cover. That's all in good condition. Back round to the driver's side. Alloy wheels, bodywork, glass, trim. From what I can see, it's all in good nick. It's all good. Inside the car, no adverse wear, no tears on the leather, no scratches. There's no staining on the seats or on the dashboard. That's all as it should be. Steering wheel is all in good condition. No chips or scratches on the roof. I've checked that it opens. That's all good. The blind is also in good condition. Overall, I've got to say, I think we're on for a winner. Looks pretty good. I'll get the rest of those details we spoke about last night over to you, and we'll have a chat. Thank you.